Hi everybody, Kyla at the MJC again. I'm here to show you the last part of the stipulation form. So we've gone through all of the substantive sections and you've filled this out. Before you're ready to file the stipulation, you'll have to do one more form, and that form is this order form. So it's the order to change. So before we get in on how to fill out the order to change form that goes with the stipulation, just a quick reminder that nothing in this video is intended to be legal advice. It's obviously a video, so I'm not able to analyze your specific situation to tell you if a stipulation is the right form for you, to tell you if a stipulation or what you are stipulating to is in your best interest in your circumstance, or to tell you if a court is going to approve your stipulation. So if you have any of those types of questions, we definitely recommend that you get some legal advice. You can get brief legal advice for free in Milwaukee County at the Marquette Volunteer Legal Clinics. If you aren't in Milwaukee County, we would recommend that you contact your clerk of court to find out what resources are available in your county. All right, so this is the order that goes with the stipulation to change. So the stipulation to change is Form FA 604A, and this is Form FA 604B. So for those of you who just got your forms through like a packet at your local law library or courthouse, you will probably have the order form just in your packet. But if you got the forms off the internet, then you'll need to make sure you've tracked down this order form as well. The stipulation is where you write down your agreement and you and the other parent both sign that agreement. This order form is necessary because this is the form that the court will sign if they approve your stipulation, and that's what we're hoping will happen. The great thing about the order is it's a very easy form. In fact, filling it out is very similar to filling out the caption, just like you did on the original stipulation. So up here in this very first section, we're going to put the county where your case is located. And again, I'm going to put Milwaukee because that's where the Justice Center is located, and that's where our sample case that we've been working on is located. And just like before, in the caption, you're going to indicate whatever you picked in your original stipulation caption. So if you have questions about that, you can go back to our video on filling out the stipulation caption to get more information on that. But this whole section is just going to match what you did on the caption for your stipulation. And so going back here, we can see that this was a paternity case and it had the child's initials, and we have the names of the two parties involved. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take that information and I'm going to transfer it over to this document. It's going to match the original stipulation exactly. And so for me, since I have my stipulation typed out, I'm just going to copy paste. Obviously, if you don't have that document anymore, or if you're handwriting, you'll just want to fill in that information. So we'll get that all in. Oh, and that's 414. So we've got the phone number for Jane there, and then we'll also put in our respondent's information just like we did before. And again, this whole section is just going to match your stipulation form. And so just like before, I'm going to copy over John's phone number here. But all this information will match your stipulation. I mean, that's the biggest thing with the order, at least for this top caption section. And then here you'll check the same things that you checked on your original stipulation. So you can see this is all what I checked when we went through this with John and Jane. And so same things that I'm going to check on this order form. We'll put in the case number. It'll be the same case number you've been using the whole time. And then you'll indicate whether or not the state is a party. So all of that should match your original caption that you did in the stipulation. And then here, all we're going to do is you're going to put in the date that you and the other person signed that stipulation form. So at the bottom on page 4 of the stipulation, you both would have signed and put in some information like your name and your phone number and those sorts of things. And you also would have put the date that you signed it. So here, you're just going to put that date. John and Jane signed theirs yesterday, because that's when we finished that last video. So it'll be March 17th of 2020, and that should match what's on the bottom of your stipulation form. And then that's it. The court is going to fill in the rest of this, so you don't need to do anything on this other than attach it to your stipulation and submit it. All right. Thank you guys for watching, as ever. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop into the Milwaukee Justice Center located in room G9 of the Milwaukee County Courthouse. And otherwise, good luck, and I hope your forms all go well.